ayusin. And then in the coming, and then later on, I'll have a sit down talk with you to share with you the plans that I have for this vlog. I've been getting some advice from friends and some viewers on what topics to discuss for this vlog. So yun, i-share ko yun sa inyo later. Guys, may mga plants pala tayo dito na dala-dala na aking ipamimigay sa aking paboritong colleague. Yan, kasi she also loves plant. At saka siguro ito ibibigay ko dun sa boss ko para ilagay niya dun sa kanyang table. So ito yung mga nagbibigay sa atin ng kasiyahan, and we want to share them with, you know, people that are close to us. Ayan. Guys, nasa Taytay kami ngayon. Kung plano nyo pumunta dito sa Taytay, maraming parking dito, maluwag ang parking. Maluwag ang parking. Taytay Market. So, ito na guys yung tindahan ng mga damit. You can find all sort of things dito sa Taytay.
Hindi na kada rin yung ilaw. Yung pumunta ka ano yun? Ay, nakalimutan ko ka.
Ito, nice. Magkano sa ganito?
Magkano daw yung gano'n?
280 po hanggang 250 po.
280 to 250. Ito, may mga colors. So guys, tinry namin itong bagong daan na maganda na bridge papuntang ano to?
Gigasland.
Ortigasland. Ayan o, yan yung bridge na dinaanan namin. Ang ganda, di ba? Lang, dumaan lang kami para i-try lang natin kung saan papunta yung bridge na yun. Guys, after namin mag-Taytay, diretso kami ng Kamuning dito sa Yen Yen Restaurant. First time namin dito, ito try lang namin. Tingnan natin. Basta nakita namin na Asian Kitchen Hot Pot. So, let's see. Inalaw kasi namin yung anak ko na nasa Quezon City. Mukhang pleasant. So, let's see kung masarap ang food. Guys, mukhang maganda yung ambience ng restaurant. Tahimik. Well, walang tao, kami lang. Pero I like yun na yung ambience. Malinis. So, magka-hotpot tayo. Bumati ka naman.
Hello, everybody.
Magtatayo yan ng online business mo soon. Ito na yung hotpot natin, guys. Oh, nagpipicture pa si Papa. Si Papa Deli. So, ito daw ay satay soup, and this one is Chinese herb soup. So, try natin yan. Mga herb.
Herb. Ito herb.
Ano sinasabi mo?
Herb.
Ba't ang dami mo salamin?
Puso na yan ngayon.
Guys, yung mga mga ingredients or mga yung laman, yung meat ng ng shabu-shabu. So, ito lang daw ang refill ko. Tsaka yung soup.
Lalagyan natin ko dito.
Oh, sige. Yung taro masarap dyan. Yung taro dado isama mo. Ito. Ayun. Meron din palang slice beef and slice pork. Tapos meron pa yung seafood fried rice.
So, saan natin yan?
Order tayo ng juice, di ba? Try din natin yung kanilang milk tea classic. Hindi yung kanilang black lang. Sana masarap. Sa yung vlog, hindi na. Ayan, nilagay na namin yung mga fish balls, taro, mga gulay. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain guys dito sa restaurant na ito. Pabalik na kami. Imagine, nakamotor kami. Kasi ginamit ng mga bata yung sasakyan dahil susunduin sa airport yung anak na, yung asawa ng panganay kong anak na si JJ. Galing ng Africa. Nagkaroon siya ng mission sa Africa. So, pabalik na yun. So, susunduin nila sa Terminal 3. Ayan, magmumotor kami. Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa bahay ng anak kong panganay kung saan silang mag-asawa ay nakatira. So, I guess dito ko i-discuss na sa inyo yung promise ko na what I am planning for this channel. So, may mga nag-advise sa akin na it would be good to discuss issues around women. Hindi lang issues but also yung yung context or yung konsepto ng womanhood. Yung maybe I would be inviting some people to sit down and have a discussion with me, and maybe if they are okay to share yung kanilang mga experiences as a woman, that would be an interesting topic for many people. So since babae ako, and siguro mas makaka-relate ako sa kanila, so I think it would be good na to introduce those kind of discussion or those kind of topic in this channel. So I agree with them. Ipine-prepare ko lang yung sarili ko. Hindi ko na natapos yung episode na ito nung nakaraang araw, yung inumpisahan kong i-video kasi naging busy na ako nung araw na yun. So yun, isa rin yung aspect ng isang babae, no, how busy our life can be. Sometimes we don't even have time for ourselves. So paano natin ginajuggle yung mga activities natin, yung mga oras natin, so that we can still have some time to share with our loved ones, and at the same time be able to be an efficient worker and be able to serve other people as well, you know, the people that we work with, the community that we work with, you know, yung mga tao na nakaka-meeting natin, nakakausap natin. So, napakarami natin na i-juggle ng mga priorities in our life. So, I think that's one part or one area of being a woman also. So, abangan nyo yan, guys. May mga tao tayo na iimbitahin. At yung konsepto ng pag-uusap natin would be something about the untold stories of ordinary women with extraordinary stories. So yung concept na yan actually was pitched to me by a very close friend of mine. Sabi niya, kung magiging maayos yung narrative ng discussion, it's gonna be a very interesting topic, and also this is a good platform to talk about that. And I like the tagline, no? Untold stories of ordinary women with extraordinary stories. And I know a lot of them, no? And I hope I get to inspire you, and please support me and support this channel para yun nga yung aim natin na mapalago or to expand our community, will be able to achieve that together. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta. And I hope to see you again in the next episode of this channel.